A month ago, we detailed around one of the cell phones that HTC intends to present not long from now, the Desire 12, a mid-go gadget that won't not come alone. New data about HTC's up-and-coming lineup recommends A+ adaptation will be uncovered nearby the Desire 12. Not at all like the customary model that packs a quad-center MediaTek processor, the HTC Desire 12 Plus will be furnished with an octa-center Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 CPU. Likewise, the marginally expanded Desire cell phone will brag a bigger 5.99-inch show with HD+, 1440 by 720 pixels, determination and 18:9 perspective proportion.